Hello and welcome back to the channel.
Ever thought about spending the holiday season on a cruise?
Celebrating Thanksgiving, Christmas, or New Year's Eve while cruising can be an unforgettable experience.
We've done it several times over these holiday periods on several different cruise lines, and it's been fantastic each time.
Today we're sharing everything that makes a holiday cruise so special, from the festive decor and gourmet meals to the unforgettable destinations and the celebrations at sea.
Whether you're looking for a new way to celebrate with family or just want to escape the cold, a holiday cruise might just be the perfect getaway.
So let's dive in.
Welcome to World Wanderers.
We're Alicia and Will.
Come wander the world with us. So, why take a cruise during the holidays?
Well, for starters, it's a stress-free way to celebrate.
Imagine skipping the endless cooking, shopping, and planning that usually comes with the season. He doesn't care so much about this, but for me, it's so much less stress to prepare and worry about if I'm on a cruise.
It's also great if you have family spread out all over the country like we do.
Right. And to celebrate together, everyone's already getting on a plane, so we might as well fly to a cruise port.
It's also easier with big groups because, well, we personally have a guest bedroom and a little space for family to visit. When you're trying to cram multiple families into one house or apartment and trying to fit everyone around one table that maybe only fits like six and you have 12 people, it can become quite a bit of a challenge and a hassle.
Right. But on a cruise, you can leave all of that behind. Everyone has their own space and a real bed, not an air mattress. So you can just focus on relaxing and enjoying your time together with your loved ones and experiencing holiday traditions.
Cruises are also all inclusive, so you don't have to worry about where to eat, what to do, where to stay, or how much money it's going to cost once you're on board.
Right.
Um,
I love that you know exactly how much it's going to cost ahead of time, and you don't always have to agree on everything, too. If somebody wants to
yeah,
do one thing, you can just say, okay, that sounds good for you, but I'll see you at dinner later because I'm going to be laying by the pool.
yeah, and everything's just taken care of, which makes it so much easier.
Let's start with Thanksgiving.
Imagine sitting down to a gourmet Thanksgiving feast while having to lift a finger in the kitchen beforehand or having to clean up afterwards.
He says that as if he cleans up and does all the cleaning up afterwards. Most cruise lines go all out for Thanksgiving with traditional dishes like roast turkey, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. But you can get plenty of unique options as well, like seafood and international cuisine.
Which can be a fun addition for a holiday meal.
For sure.
Another thing, many cruises have themed events and activities that you can do as well.
Right. You might find turkey carving demonstrations or Thanksgiving trivia contests. We're pretty much reigning trivia champions on cruises. But you might even find a live football game broadcast on the big screen by the pool. That's a pretty common one.
Yeah. Plus, there are plenty of kid-friendly activities. Think Thanksgiving arts and crafts, themed movie nights, holiday scavenger hunts.
And of course, the ship is decorated for the holiday season with beautiful fall colors, giving you these cozy, festive vibes, but with an ocean view.
And then the next big holiday, Christmas.
Cruise lines take Christmas spirit to the next level.
Yes, they definitely do. As soon as Black Friday hits, our experiences that cruise ships get decked out with Christmas trees and garlands and twinkling lights and ornaments and just any sort of Christmas decor or festive spirit thing you can imagine.
Right. And it's like magic. It happens overnight when you go to bed for Thanksgiving and you wake up the next morning on Black Friday and it's all magically happened. Is basically some ships even have giant life-size gingerbread
Mm.
houses and holiday villages. It's super cool.
They won't eat those though, I've tried.
No, we've experienced caroling groups that go from deck to deck of both ship entertainers, singers, and dancers, as well as groups of passengers that participate.
For Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, most cruises host special dinners with holiday classics and international favorites, plus loads of festive desserts.
You'll also find activities like cookie decorating and visits with Santa. Yes, he makes appearances at sea, and Christmas movie marathons.
And for the adults out there, almost all of the bars will definitely have a flight of Christmas themed cocktails and drinks.
Right. And some cruises even have midnight mass services or other religious gatherings for those who want to celebrate the spiritual side of the holiday as well.
We built gingerbread houses the last time we went, which was really fun to do, decorating them
Yeah.
and putting them together in a competition. It was a great part of that. None of those activities cost any extra money.
Yeah. And here's a perk for parents. The kids club have holiday themed activities as well. So the little ones can stay entertained while you enjoy some downtime.
And many of the cruise ships also have special Christmas Eve or Christmas Day shows featuring everything from holiday themed performances to a Broadway style production.
And last but definitely not least, we have New Year's Eve.
A cruise is one of the best places to celebrate New Year's Eve, especially if you love a good party.
Yeah, he loves a good party. I'm not so much a party person, but again, we can both go our own ways and it's great. And I can be in bed before midnight. Ships go all out for New Year's Eve, hosting glamorous events, countdowns, and even fireworks at sea on some itineraries.
Yeah, you can expect a very festive New Year's Eve dinner, followed up by parties all around the ship.
Right? Most cruises have themed parties like masquerade balls, white parties, or 80s parties.
Yeah, and they'll definitely have some sort of midnight ball drop or countdown or some event to go to.
Right? You can dress up, dance, and party into the early hours with multiple venues and music styles to choose from. And of course, there's a massive midnight countdown where you ring in the new year while you're on the ocean.
Some cruises even have champagne toasts and balloon drops to make the moment extra special.
And the best part, you can wake up the next morning to an amazing brunch without having to worry about cleaning up from your party last night or cooking. The cruise staff take care of it all. One of the best parts of a holiday cruise is also getting to celebrate in a new destination. Many Caribbean or Mediterranean cruises give you a chance to escape the winter chill and enjoy some sunshine.
Imagine spending Christmas Day on a white sand beach or kicking off New Year's exploring tropical islands.
Yeah, we found locals to be super welcoming and excited to share their holiday traditions with us as well.
Yeah, and it's cool to see how other parts of the world celebrate, particularly on Christmas.
Right. And you may think that the island shut down tourist excursions for Christmas, but in our experience, everything has remained open since tourism is such an important part of their economy.
And if you don't want a warm Christmas and prefer a more traditional winter feel, there's Alaskan cruises, European river cruises, Norwegian fjords. You can cruise all over like the snowier type areas for the winter landscapes, holiday markets, and even ice skating on some of the cruise ship decks.
Right. And in regards to our guides and drivers and stuff, we obviously tipped really well during Christmas and it was definitely appreciated. So I don't think there's like a stigma of you shouldn't travel during the holidays. Like
Yeah.
people were definitely appreciative that we were there.
Many cruise lines also offer holiday specific excursions, like a Christmas market tour in Europe, giving a truly unique way to celebrate.
So if you're thinking about booking a holiday cruise, here are a few tips.
First off, plan early. Holiday cruises tend to fill up quickly. They're also very popular. So the earlier you book, the better.
Right. This also helps you snag the best cabins, packages, and prices. It tends to be that when children are off of school and families can travel together during the summer break or Thanksgiving or Christmas holidays, things tend to fill up fast.
Also, you're going to pack a mix of outfits.
Right. Bring some holiday attire for those themed dinners and parties, as well as comfortable clothes for exploring the ports.
We've worn our Grinch onesies and ugly Christmas sweaters each time, and they've definitely added to the festive atmosphere.
Yeah, the first time we went on one, we didn't bring anything and we felt super left out compared to everybody else that was there. So definitely add those to your luggage if you have some room.
They also make for great family photos and a perfect themed events for the onboard.
Yeah, so there you have it. Spending the holidays on a cruise gives you the chance to enjoy festive traditions, explore new places, and relax like never before.
Whether you're celebrating Thanksgiving with a gourmet meal, counting down the New Year's with fireworks, soaking up Christmas cheer on deck, a holiday cruise can make this season truly magical.
Are you considering a holiday cruise, or maybe you've already celebrated one on a ship before? If so, let us know in the comments what you love the most about it.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to Wander the World with us.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a happy holiday season wherever you're celebrating. Safe travels.